Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can get Fishing Planet promo codes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to start with, if you're looking for promo codes for Fishing Planet, a good place to begin is the website redeemcodetoday.com. When you visit this site, search for Fishing Planet in the search bar. You'll be presented with a list of available promo codes. Just copy the code you want and paste it directly into Fishing Planet to redeem it. Another source for Fishing Planet promo codes is Medium.com. Navigate to the Medium website and type Fishing Planet promo codes in the search bar. You'll find a variety of articles listing current promo codes. From there, you can copy any code you find useful and use it in Fishing Planet. Lastly, you can also find promo codes on the Steam store. Open the Steam application and search for Fishing Planet promo codes. This will direct you to a page displaying all the active codes. Again, simply copy the code from there to use it in Fishing Planet. These three resources, redeemcodetoday.com, Medium, and Steam, should provide you with plenty of opportunities to find and use promo codes for Fishing Planet. So that's basically how you can get Fishing Planet promo codes. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.